So, dear students, so this is the question posted to you a little hour ago. We will try to find the answer for this question. So, what we need to find out? Machine hour rate. How to find the machine hour rate? The machine hour rate is given by this formula. Machine hour rate is factory overhead divided by total machine hours. What is the purpose of finding the machine hour rate? Suppose in a lathe you are processing this component. So, it takes 2 hours for completing this one component. So, how much of the overhead amount you have to charge for completing this one component? Suppose the machine hour rate of lathe is found as 100 rupees per hour. So, if this is taking 2 hours to complete, so 100 into 2, 200 rupees is the amount that is to be charged for overhead. So, it is very easy to find the overhead amount to be charged once you know the machine hour rate of each machine tool. So, that is the purpose for which we may find the machine hour rate of each machine tool in an industry. So, this industry has got so many other machines apart from a lathe, for example. So, in that case, how to find out the machine hour rate? Okay, by taking into account the fixed overhead and the variable overhead. The rent, okay, the factory is on a rented building. Let us assume. So, what is the rent paid? 15,000 rupees is the rent paid per month. Out of this 15,000 rupees, how much of the rent has to be set aside for this particular machine? That you have to find out. So, the factory is having, apart from the lathe, you have got some other machine tools also. So, this machine tool is occupying 1/6 of its space. So, 15,000 into 1/6, you are getting 2,500 is the charge to be paid on account of rent for this machine tool. Lighting charges. So, the entire factory is to be lit in the night. So, there are 12 electrical points. Out of this 12 electrical point, 2 points are catering to this particular machine tool. So, 2,000 rupees is spent every month for lighting purpose. Out of this 2,000, how much has to be charged for this particular machine tool alone? So, 2,000 into 2 by 12, you are getting 333.33. So, the foreman is paid a salary of 18,000 rupees per month. He is devoting 1/8 of his time for catering this particular machine tool, for supervising this particular machine tool. So, 18,000 rupees into 1/8 is the amount to be charged on account of foreman's salary. So, now the insurance, the insurance premium has to be paid. So, at the rate of 2% per annum. The initial cost of the machine tool is 5 lakh. So, 2 by 100 into 5 lakh, we are getting 10,000 rupees is the premium to be paid per annum. Now, the machine tool, for maintaining the machine tool, you have to spend 500 rupees for oil and other purposes. So, that is also a fixed overhead. So, when you add everything, you are getting 6,416.66 rupees as the fixed overhead per month. You remember this 10,000 rupees is the premium paid per annum. Divided by 12, you are getting premium paid per month. So, this is the fixed overhead per month. So, what is the number of hours of working in a month? So, in the problem it is given that 3,456 hours, the machine tool is running for 3,456 hours per annum. So, divided by 12, you are getting 288. So, this 6,416 divided by 288, you are getting 22.28 as the fixed overhead per hour.